In this video, I'll show you how to pull Google Analytics data and build a live dashboard in Google Sheets, all from Claude using InsightfulPipe. Start in InsightfulPipe by adding your data connections. Select Google Analytics 4 and Google Sheets from the platform list. Authenticate with your Google account to grant InsightfulPipe access to your analytics data. Choose the Google Analytics property you want to connect. Google Analytics 4 is now connected. Next, add Google Sheets as a second connector. Authenticate again for Google Sheets access, then select the spreadsheet you want Claude to write to. Configure which sheets to include and click Connect. InsightfulPipe links the spreadsheet to your brand. We'll use the InsightfulPipe MCP since it includes all your connected sources and premium tools in one URL. In Claude, go to Settings, Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Add. Click Connect on the new InsightfulPipe MCP connector to authorize it. The connection is confirmed. Claude now has access to both your Google Analytics and Google Sheets data. Now let's put it to work. Open a new chat and start typing the prompt. The prompt asks Claude to pull 60 days of Google Analytics data, including sessions, users, page views, and traffic sources. It also instructs Claude to append the data into Google Sheets and create a dashboard with summary metrics and charts. Claude finds the Google Analytics and Google Sheets integrations through the MCP and begins pulling the data. It fetches daily metrics, traffic source breakdowns, and weekly data for chart purposes. With all the data collected, Claude creates the sheets and populates them in batches, sorting by date and organizing by source. It then builds the dashboard sheet with summary metrics, formats the headers, and adds embedded charts. The result is a complete analytics dashboard. 3 new sheets with daily data, traffic sources, and a visual summary with 4 embedded charts. Key highlights show direct traffic as the largest channel, referral driving the strongest engagement, and organic search with the highest session duration. And here it is in Google Sheets, a complete dashboard with charts and scorecards built by Claude and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.